The estate in Villanova, about 45 minutes outside of Philadelphia, was once part of the Androzen, the Montgomery Scott family's enormous 750-acre estate that at one point had 40 buildings. In fact, the Albermarle's main home was once the original estate stable. Today, the property features 8 bedrooms, 9 full baths, and 4 half baths. This collection of masterfully English-style stone buildings is set behind a gated entry and feels like your own village. A main residence, guest house, entertainment barn, pool, and tennis court now serve as a much-loved family gathering place, with a clock tower building used by the owner as a small, well-outfitted, high-tech headquarters for his business interests. Inside the main house, the expansive open-floor plan showcases generously proportioned living. A grand-scale great room, lodge-like in its feel, offers a soaring fireplace, wet bar, and access to a wine cellar. French doors embrace the exceptional setting and allow for indoor-outdoor flow. Fireplaces stand ready for winter evenings. The expansive kitchen meets the demands of the largest events in both its design and array of pro-grade appliances, but its casual fireside dining area no doubt will be a favorite for every day. The views from the extensive patios and other outdoor spaces feel endless. Closing out the main floor is a paneled study designed to be a quiet retreat. Private quarters are on the second floor. There is a spacious, sumptuous main bedroom suite, 2 additional en-suites, and an office, offering a total of 6 bedrooms in the main residence. The clock tower offices, also fully restored right down to the timepiece in the tower, For entertaining, the rebuilt all-season Stonebank Barn has it all. Game and media areas, wet bar, fitness space on the upper level, and 2 bathrooms. Plan on warm weather entertaining by the pool, where its lounge area and fireplace are seamlessly integrated into expert hardscaping. The property was originally part of the 750-acre Androzen Farm, a legendary mainline estate owned by Colonel Robert Montgomery, founder of the investment firm Janney Montgomery Scott, and father of socialite Hope Montgomery Scott, the model for Kate Hepburn's character in the movie The Philadelphia Story.